I'm Darya. Today we have something new. First of all, I want to tell you something about 6th Street. It takes time to reach you. Your order will be delivered in several stages, which I did not like. And anyway, let's get into it. I don't know how to explain. These are so comfy and beautiful. Look at the color. I'm in love. I'm really in love. It's like walking on the clouds. I love it with pajama. Look, this style. Okay guys, when you bought something from Crocs for 35 Omani riyals or more, they gift you a set of bag to school. It comes with a backpack, lunchbox, water bottle, and this bag and pencil bag. These all free. It's very nice.